just what you heard,
but I know a simple trick.
you put both hands up, clap them above.
Do it just like this.
I think I might have got the dancing sickness. Never ever had a fever like this, but where's the fun of being normal anyway?
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I feel like turning it up, breaking it down, jumping my feet, don't touch the ground. You got a voice, you got a choice. Come on, get loud, let's make some noise. Sing it like this is the time, it's you and I. Let's get loud, 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 loud. Make some noise. Scream out loud, twist, twist and shout.
Do whatever you want to. And if you're stuck in the middle, move it just a little, and I bet you won't feel so blue. No, sadly, do you feel the speakers bumping? I ain't stopping till the whole room's jumping.